murid-murid. Halo. Okay, apa ini? Fridge? Okay, very good. They put I love science. So sweet. Okay, how this one can be? Wow, is that thing, huh? Not fall down? Wow, so nice. How you can make this? Attract by the magnet, the metal, huh? Yes, very good. That's very nice. Keep it up. Okay, this one. Wow, what is that? Science is? Wow, that's really cool. So, are you like this?
Yeah.
Are you enjoy?
Yeah.
Thank you. Hi, boys. Hi, smart boys. What you had done ready? What is on your hand right now? This is the fridge. Fridge. Magnet. Okay, can you demonstrate, please? Tami, thank you. Wow, that's nice. Thank you. Wow, is it okay? Is it can attract? Is it can attract? Ah, wow, that's great job. Thank you. Okay, this is the students' work. This is the fridge magnet. So they are very excited and have done the good job already. Hi dear students. Okay, tadi macam mana itu boleh lekat pada pintu, eh?